Hello, my friends. It's Eddy education time. Good morning, my friends. My name is Ben. I'm getting ready for the day. Can you help me get dressed? Today, we are learning clothes. Shirt, trousers, socks, and shoes. First, my shirt. Can you say shirt? Shirt. Great job. Shirt. My blue shirt. My shirt is on. Well done. Next, trousers. Can you say trousers? Trousers. Great. Look, my trousers are on. Can you say trousers? Great job, my friends. Now, socks. Can you say socks? Socks. Soft and cozy. Wiggle your toes. 1 sock, 2 socks. My socks are on. Finally, shoes. Can you say shoes? Shoes. Let's put them on. Click. Zip. My shoes are on. I am ready. Great job. We got ready. Thank you for helping me, my friends. Let's say them again. Shirt, trousers, socks, shoes. We did it, my friends. Great job, my friends. We got dressed together. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you, my friends. Please subscribe to our channel.